Hi everyone, I'm Nono, and in today's video I really wanted to share some common mistakes that a lot of students make, including university students, well especially university students, because I came across this pattern unfolding itself when I was assessing university student papers, and also I saw this happening in my own students when we are doing writing classes. So I realized it's more serious and it's more frequent than just sometimes. So I wanted to share this with you, and hopefully we will be able to improve our writing in this context. So let's get started. So what is the common mistake? Listing too many ideas and not elaborating or not developing them at all. Or to some extent, that doesn't make it to completeness or providing closure. So these are the types of essays I like to call shopping list essays. It's just a list of ideas, no explanation ever, no detail, no analysis, no common themes, nothing, no purpose. So it just looks like a shopping list with no coherence, no cohesion, right? So we want to fix that. One of the earliest steps that we learn on how to read a research paper is to skim and scan the context, the paper. Why? Because we really need to answer the question, why am I reading this? Is it worth my time? Does it have all the information that I am looking for, as a researcher? So the same thing happens with the readers of your essay, because they want to have a worthwhile reading. Well, the most important question now, what do we do now? What now? One thing to remind ourselves is that when people are reading our essays, they are reading our essays, not our minds. They don't automatically understand what we want to tell them because we are in our own flow when we are writing the essay. They don't understand what's behind that flow. So we really need to mechanically, manually break it down for them, because we are different people. We have different brains and thinking systems. So this is a very important reminder that we have to keep to ourselves. We really need to have the key arguments mentioned. Why are we solving this problem? Well, most importantly, what are we trying to address? What a lot of people do is they just analyze the problem and leave it there. They forget about the solution, which is the most important point. Or they just list the solution there, 1, 2, and 3, and just leave it there. Why do we have those solutions? Why are we suggesting these solutions to the reader? How do you make the reader know that this is worth their time? So if you do those steps correctly and practice over time, you will improve, and then you will write a very good quality paper. If it's a literature review, or if it's a thesis, whatever it is, it's going to contribute to your quality improvement. Or even if you're preparing for your exams, I believe this is going to be a good tip. Take it as it resonates. This is what I wanted to share with you, and I hope it helps.